In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check your Chromebook or computer for 3 testing applications that will be needed throughout the school year. So one is BlueBook for PSAT College Board. That is just a test that the 8th graders will take. The second one is School City or Dallas Assessment Navigator for ACPs and Common Assessments. And lastly, the Secure Test Browser for STAAR. So you can see that we have this apps, this waffle at the bottom, and we have the BlueBook. We have the Secure Test Browser, and of course, School City. So we're gonna click on BlueBook just to make sure that it works. And it takes a couple of seconds. And you're gonna use a sign-in ticket from your school. And then you should have a user ID as well as registration number. And then you can test your device. This device meets the requirements for memory and operating system, so this should be good. And then to get out of this, I'm gonna just restart the computer. Okay, then I'm gonna restart it to be able to try School City or Dallas Assessment Navigator for the ACPs and Common Assessments. So we have School City here. And you can see that it's gonna have us log in with our EAD. So obviously log in with your username and password, and you should be able to be in the secure platform. So it is a locked down browser, so you're not able to click out of it. So then of course, once you're done, we're gonna have to restart. And lastly, we have for STAAR, we're gonna go to Secure Test Browser. And we have to select Texas. Then we're gonna type in the information on our testing ticket, which is our first name, the TSDS ID, and then the session ID number that your teacher should be able to provide you. And of course, to exit, we're gonna have to restart the computer. And that is all for finding and checking the testing applications on your Chromebook or device.